Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log out from your Amazon Chime account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log out from your Amazon Chime, all you need to do is simply tap open the Amazon Chime account by tapping open the app. So once you tap open the app, simply tap on the settings option. Once you do so, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on the sign out option now. Once you tap on sign out, you will end up having this interface where if you tap on sign out, then you will be signed out from this particular account. However, if you choose sign out of all the devices, you will get signed out or logged out from each and every devices in which you have logged in your Amazon Chime account. So this is how you log out in Amazon Chime. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.